Looking for a faster way to open apps, search files, perform calculations, and access bookmarks on Windows 11? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ueli on Windows 11 from the basics to some of its most useful features. So let's jump right in. Start by opening ueli from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. If you've enabled automatic startup, it may already be running in the system tray. Just press its global keyboard shortcut to open the launcher instantly. Once the launcher appears, simply begin typing the name of an application. As you type, ueli displays matching results. Select the application you want and press Enter to launch it immediately. Besides launching applications, ueli can also help you locate files and folders if the appropriate extension is enabled. Just type part of a file or folder name, review the search results, and open the item directly from the launcher. Ueli also includes several useful built-in tools. For example, you can type a mathematical expression to use the calculator, search your browser bookmarks, or use custom search plugins to quickly search websites without opening them first. To make ueli fit your workflow, open the Settings window. This is where you can change keyboard shortcuts, enable or disable extensions, customize startup behavior, and adjust other preferences to match the way you work. The more you use ueli, the faster it becomes. So try using it to launch your favorite applications, open frequently used files, perform quick calculations, and search bookmarks throughout your day. After a little practice, it'll feel like a natural part of using Windows 11, and that's it. You've learned the basics of using ueli on Windows 11. With a little customization and regular use, it can become one of the quickest ways to work on your computer. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.